Hey, we're at Battle Mountain on our way back from Canards West 2026, which was at Columbia, California. Canards West at Columbia. We got over 20 canards here. The guy in the white bucket hat and blue shirt, that's Klaus from Lightspeed. This is Mark Rediger. This is Cozy over there on the backside. Awesome. Yeah, so this is a Vari, I think. And that's a long. But see how the straight goes much further forward? So I think this is 11 gallons a side versus 26 a side. So it's a big difference between these two apparently. I just learned today. This is the GU Canard. One is very easy. It's thicker than the Ron's Canard. Yeah, this is just a beautiful paint job on this one. Wow. Barracoot. And another Barracoot. I didn't realize this, but these are molded LongEzs basically, and they're all carbon. 9G plus minus aircraft. Wow. Super rare Defiant. Cool, huh? Twin engine Rutan. Defiant. Close up look. Velocity with 3 tracks. Velocity, 3 tracks. So this is Klaus's from Lightspeed Ignitions. This is his shorter wings that he's experimenting with. I mean, check this out. Wow, it looks like the Forked Devil, aka the 737 Max. Wow, I love it. Yeah, just in permanent mods. Wow. Cedric's Cozy 4. He and his wife built this. He said his wife mixed as much epoxy as he did. And he's been flying it for a couple of years. I wonder when he's going to paint it. It's like, well, it works, and it's lighter. Here's the SuperCub at Columbia, and this is the really nice camping facilities and clubhouse where we're going to have our meeting. Yeah, just a better look here at the facilities at Columbia 022 Oscar 22.
Cut loose from Columbia, CA. Tail wheel kiss the strip. Morning on the window and a coffee gone quick. Map fold on my knee. Old sun on the dash. One little SuperCub and a whole lot of sky to pass. Above the granite tee, I watch the shadow run. One ridge, then another. I keep climbing with the sun. Cross the Sierras, cross the Sierras, cross the Sierras. Over the day.
So it's nap time here in Jackpot. There's a line of thunderstorms going through Idaho Falls and Driggs, so we just stopped and had lunch, and it's still pretty windy, so we're gonna take a little nap and then we'll reassess in an hour or two.
Nevada dust below me, like a faded wool sheet. Big empty basin with a heat rising deep. Then East Idaho opens, long and flat and wide. Feels like patched up quilts rolled out side by side. I see the Tetons waiting, sharp as a prayer in the snow. Keep that lid.
Thanks for watching, and as always, build on.